Unveiling the Cosmos, 10 solar system facts you never knew. Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on an incredible journey through the vast expanse of our solar system. Buckle up as we explore the wonders and mysteries that lie beyond our home planet, Earth. Our solar system is a fascinating place filled with planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, each with its own unique characteristics and stories. Today we're diving into the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood, our solar system. From the blazing sun at the center to the distant, icy realms of the Kuiper Belt, there's so much to discover. We're going to explore 10 cosmic facts you've probably never heard. Did you know that Jupiter has the most moons of any planet in our solar system, with a staggering 79 known moons? Or that Venus, often called Earth's twin, rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets? From the scorching surface of the sun, which is so hot that it can reach temperatures of around 5,500 degrees Celsius, to the icy plains of Pluto, where temperatures can drop to a frigid -240 degrees Celsius, our solar system is full of extremes. We'll uncover the wonders that lie beyond our atmosphere. For instance, did you know that Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 13.6 miles high? Or that Saturn's rings are made up of ice and rock particles that range in size from tiny grains to massive boulders? Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, and get ready for liftoff. Let's get started. As we journey through space, we'll also learn about the mysterious Oort cloud, a distant region of our solar system that is believed to be a reservoir of comets. So stay tuned and prepare to be amazed by the incredible facts and discoveries that await us in the vastness of space. You know, we think of the sun as this big ball of light and heat, and it is. But did you know it makes up over 99.86% of the entire solar system's mass? That's an astonishing fact when you think about it. Imagine the sheer scale and dominance of the sun in our cosmic neighborhood. To put that into perspective, it's like a basketball surrounded by a few grains of sand. The sun is the basketball, and all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets are the grains of sand. This comparison really helps us understand just how massive the sun is compared to everything else in our solar system. It's the sun's immense gravity that keeps everything from giant Jupiter to tiny space rocks in orbit. Without the sun's gravitational pull, the planets would drift away into the vastness of space. The sun's gravity acts like an invisible hand, holding the solar system together and ensuring that all the celestial bodies follow their paths. It's the ultimate cosmic anchor, holding our little corner of the universe together. The sun's gravitational grip is so powerful that it even affects the orbits of distant objects in the Kuiper Belt, far beyond the orbit of Neptune. This gravitational influence extends for billions of kilometers, showcasing the sun's incredible power and reach. The sun's gravity is not just a force, it's a fundamental aspect of our existence. It shapes the orbits of planets, dictates the flow of comets, and even influences the trajectories of spacecraft. Understanding the sun's gravitational grip helps us appreciate the delicate balance that keeps our solar system stable and allows life to thrive on Earth. So next time you look up at the sky and see the sun shining brightly, remember that it's not just a source of light and heat. It's the mighty force that holds our solar system together, a cosmic giant whose gravitational grip ensures the harmony and stability of our celestial neighborhood. Now, let's talk volcanoes. You might think of Earth as a volcanic hotspot, but Venus laughs in the face of Earth's puny volcanoes. Imagine a planet covered in over 1,600 major volcanoes. That's Venus, folks. We're talking massive shield volcanoes, lava flows that stretch for hundreds of miles. It makes you wonder what's brewing beneath the surface of that planet. Jupiter, the king of planets, is a gas giant with a need for speed. This behemoth spins so fast that a day on Jupiter only lasts about 10 hours. Can you imagine trying to adjust to that kind of day-night cycle? It'd be like living in a cosmic washing machine on spin cycle. Chapter 4. Olympus Mons, the Martian Giant. Mount Everest might be the tallest mountain on Earth, but it's dwarfed by Olympus Mons on Mars. This extinct volcano is a monster, 3 times the height of Everest. If you were standing at its base, the summit would be lost in the clouds. It's a stark reminder of the incredible geological forces that have shaped our solar system. Chapter 5. Uranus, the Sideways Planet. Uranus is the ultimate cosmic oddball. This ice giant spins on its side like a marble rolling across a table. Imagine the seasons on Uranus. Each pole experiences decades of continuous sunlight followed by decades of darkness. Talk about extreme weather. Chapter 6. Neptune, the windy planet. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system. We're talking supersonic winds, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. These winds whip around the planet at over 1,200 miles per hour. It's enough to make you appreciate the calm breezes here on Earth. Chapter 7. Pluto, the little planet that could. Now, Pluto might be demoted to dwarf planet status, but it's still a fascinating world. Here's a fun fact. Pluto is smaller than the continental United States. It's amazing to think that this tiny, icy world billions of miles away has captivated our imaginations for so long. Chapter 8. 4.6 billion years in the making. Our solar system is ancient, about 4.6 billion years old. This age is almost incomprehensible, stretching back to a time when the universe itself was still young. The formation of our solar system began with a giant molecular cloud, a vast region of gas and dust. Over time, gravity caused this cloud to collapse, forming a spinning disk of material. At the center of this disk, our sun was born, igniting with nuclear fusion and bringing light to the surrounding planets. To put that in perspective, if the entire history of the Earth were compressed into a single year, the formation of the solar system would occur in the first few days of January. The Earth itself would form around mid-March. Life would begin in the oceans by late March, and complex life forms would appear in late November. Dinosaurs would roam the Earth in mid-December, and they would go extinct just a few days before the end of the year. Humans, on the other hand, would have only appeared in the last hour of the year on New Year's Eve. Our entire recorded history, from the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia and Egypt to the modern era, would fit into the final seconds before midnight. This perspective highlights just how brief our existence has been in the grand timeline of the Earth. It's humbling to think about the vastness of time and our place in the grand scheme of things. The universe is a vast and ancient place, and our time here is but a fleeting moment. Yet in this brief moment we have the opportunity to explore, to learn, and to understand the cosmos. As we gaze up at the stars, we are reminded of the incredible journey that has brought us here and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Chapter 9. Saturn, the buoyant giant. Saturn is known for its majestic rings, but here's a fun fact. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. This gas giant is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, making it less dense than water. It's a good thing we don't have any bathtubs that big, or Saturn might just decide to take a dip. Chapter 10. The Dwarf Planet Quintet. Pluto isn't alone in the Dwarf Planet Club. There are 4 other recognized dwarf planets in our solar system: Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. These icy worlds are like miniature planets, orbiting the sun in the distant reaches of our solar system. They're a reminder that there's still so much out there to discover. Keep exploring the cosmos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these cosmic facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content about our universe. There's always something new to discover, whether it's a giant volcano on Venus or a supersonic wind on Neptune. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the cosmos. See you next time.